Ancestor. Our ancestors lived hundreds of years ago. Angle. The picture is taken from a high angle. Anxious. He is anxious about his health. Arrow. The hunter shot an arrow into the sky. Awful. The weather was awful yesterday. Battle. The battle lasted all night. Boot. She bought a new pair of boots. Border. They crossed the border at night. Bow. The hunter carried a bow and a quiver of arrows. Brave. The brave soldier saved many lives. Bring. Please bring your book tomorrow. Castle. The king lived in a big castle. Chest. He crossed his arms over his chest. Chief. The chief made an important decision. Command. The officer commanded the soldiers to move. Confidence. She spoke with confidence during the presentation. Congratulate. They congratulated her on her success. Consequence. Every action has a consequence. Consist. The team consists of 5 players. Counsel. He counseled me to be patient. Desire. Many people desire wealth and happiness. Disadvantage. Lack of experience is a disadvantage when applying for a job. Disaster. The storm caused a major disaster. Disturb. Don't disturb me while I'm studying. Eager. She is eager to learn new things. Enemy. They fought against their enemy. Ensure. Please ensure the door is locked. Entrance. The entrance is on the right. Estimate. I estimate that the project will take 2 weeks to finish. Explosion. The explosion shook the building. Frame. He bought a silver frame for his graduation photo. Hardly. I can hardly hear you. Heaven. They believed he went to heaven. Honor. They honored him for his bravery. Household. There are 4 people in my household. Impress. Her skills impressed everyone. Incredible. The view from the mountain was incredible. Intend. I intend to study abroad. Intent. His intent was to help, not to harm. Jewelry. She loves wearing gold jewelry. Land. The plane will land soon. Landscape. The mountain landscape was beautiful. Laughter. The room was full of laughter. Legend. The town is full of ancient legends. Lift. He lifted the heavy bag very easily. Load. She loaded the groceries into the car. Log. He sat on a log by the fire. Lung. Smoking can damage your lungs. Marathon. He trained hard for the marathon. Meteor. A meteor flashed across the sky. Military. He joined the military last year. Monster. The monster scared them half to death. Motion. The teacher made a motion with her hand for the students to sit down. Narrow. We walked along a narrow path through the forest. Northern. The northern region is colder. Obey. Children should obey their parents. Pace. She ran at a steady pace. Pale. She looked pale after being sick. Polite. He is always polite to everyone. Possess. They possess great wealth. Praise. The teacher praised her work. Proceed. The students proceeded to the auditorium for the ceremony. Pure. The water here is very pure. Rapidly. The temperature dropped rapidly. Relative. We visited our relatives last week. Remark. She remarked on his new haircut. Remote. They lived in a remote village. Rough. The surface of the rot is very rough. Satisfy. The meal did not satisfy him. Scream. The loud noise made the birds scream and fly away. Secure. She secured a job at a big company after months of searching. Seek. They seek better opportunities abroad. Senior. She is a senior manager at the company. Sensitive. His eyes are sensitive to bright light. Shade. They sat in the shade of a big tree. Shine. The sun shines brightly today. Silent. The room was completely silent. Sink. The ship hit a rock and began to sink. Southern. Southern cities are warm year-round. Spill. The child spilled juice on his clothes. Statue. The statue stands in the park. Steady. He remained steady during the emergency. Steam. Steam rose from the hot pot. Submit. He finally submitted to the doctor's advice and took a rest. Superior. This product is superior to the others. Supplement. She supplements her income by teaching. Surround. Tall trees surround the house. Temple. They visited an ancient temple. Terror. She screamed in terror as the lights suddenly went out. Thick. The fog was very thick this morning. Threat. The storm is a threat to the village. Trust. I trust him completely. Twist. He twisted the rope around the pole. Unless. Don't call me unless it's an emergency. Upper. The upper floor is quieter. Victim. The accident had 2 victims. Weapon. A knife can be a dangerous weapon. Weed. The garden is full of weeds. Wing. The bird flapped its wings. Wrap. She wrapped the gift neatly.